Welcome, you fans of steam. Welcome, fans of speed. Welcome, one and all, to this year's Great Railway Show! Only here can you witness the mightiest locomotives from all over the world, competing in feats of strength, speed, and skill. Allow me to introduce you to this year's contenders. And here is Emily of Sodor. Emily's looking better than ever. She's clearly had some work done. Just look at those gold bands and that deco on her paintwork. Absolutely stunning. Of course, Emily has the added extra advantage of two giant driving wheels, which give her those gorgeous curves, as well as one of the tallest funnels on Sodor. Emily is a smart and clever engine who will hold her funnel high when competing for Team Sodor. Let's hear it for Emily of Sodor! Join me again soon, folks, when I'll be showcasing another contender in this year's Great Railway Show! And here is Shane of Australia! Good day, mate! This handsome chap has literally travelled all the way from the other side of the world.